Right now, we have installed Python and also installed Visual Studio Code. The next step that we need to take is to set up Visual Studio Code, as there are a few things that we need to install inside the IDE. So I want you to head to your search bar and search for Visual Studio Code. So once you see it, just open it. Now you are going to be brought to this welcome page. So the first thing that we need to install is the Python extension, because it's going to make development super easy and fast in Visual Studio Code. So I want you to head to this tab right here that looks like four boxes. Let me just zoom in so you see it. So I want you to hover over it and you can see it's called extensions. So click extensions. Now once you've clicked extensions, what you need to do is head to this search bar and type Python. Once you type Python, just click search and it will list out a bunch of extensions which you can install. Now, the one that we want to install is the one by Microsoft. As you can see, it has the name of Microsoft and it's just called Python. Now, it says the Python language supports with extension access points for IntelliSense. Now, we need to install this specific extension. As you can see, I already have it installed, which is why it says disable and uninstall. But for you, I just want you to click install, and this is going to uh, get it installed on your Visual Studio Code. Now, the next extension that we need to install is called Code Runner. I want you to type code space runner into your into the search bar, and I want you to click the first one. So the first one that comes up, which was created by Jun Han. I might be butchering that pronunciation, but this is the one that you should select. As you can see, it's just called Code Runner. So I want you to install. So I want you to install this extension. Now, once you've installed that extension, we are pretty much good to go in terms of the setup for our development slash learning environment for this course. If you have any question, please leave it. Please create a new question and I will reply you as soon as I can.